Kenneth Petty threatens Offset and Cardi B.
Sturdy, what's poppin'? What's poppin'?
What's
Fucking money, man. What's up?
Yeah.
What's that, man?
Yeah.
Huh?
You don't know.
Yeah.
They said you don't know. Big Zoom.
We're on that vacation.
Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Before I talk about Mr. Petty being petty, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And also gonna talk about AndreStephens and his alleged father Kevin Smith. It is being circulating that AndreStephens has been robbed 3.5 million Jamaican dollars, and now Andre quits YouTube.
I look at Andre people and I tell him, say, listen Andre, you're a good boy, but this is a link up the way you're going to link up with Richard Curryfish. It will cost you, because although we know say he's a gay, we know what a gay is him. The emperor take you up like a little son, and nurture you, and me tell you start your own YouTube channel and everything will go on good for you. And I say come work in the Maroon government, because you know say the Maroon government.
He's traveling with her mom and they're going south this evening.
My people, I do that thing for over 20 years. I never tell somebody something in the go yet. I never tell somebody. If I tell AndreStephens, Andre, just come put out the thing. But they want to put the Batman thing, see there? A $3.8 million one and boyfriend them rob him. And he going to lose more than that before the year done. And I tell him, say, come back, I light a table for him, because the one day when Andrew them do are killing people. When Andrew wants them do are killing people and still want to kill him. And me set table for Andrew, never have no money people. And he make you Batman thing, him and grateful. I tell her, say, Andrew, you do God work, you can't say that, do God work, because you can't do God work and still want the devil sin. You can't do God work and still want the devil sin. It not gonna make sense for people. Yeah, fuck Batty. Remember me, they tell you things long time, but you never they believe me, you know. AndreStephens some people, because Kevin Smith I'm father, you know. Because Kevin Smith checked me last year and tell me, say, yo, tell Andre for claim all them things, but Andre no want to follow that. Curry, AndreStephens love of Curry, and I know so Curry no belong to no man. Curry belong to every man. Every of the Curry's of Andre. You don't have the money for all Curry. Richard Curry is a high price. You understand? Lord the battle thing Andre, because he's a good looking boy. I tell us a judgment, I'm gonna take a seat.
I guess it runs in the family. AndreStephens is very well spoken, and he seems to be gay. It is alleged that the man that robbed him was his boyfriend. Allegedly, I don't know how true this is, but such is life. If Kevin Smith is really his father, this would explain why he was able to rub shoulders with those politicians back in the day, before he fell out with the current prime minister and his wife, who he accused of working obia on him. He has said that when he was in the psych ward, Bellevue, Ward 21, Juliette Holness sent his slippers for him that she had done obia on. Anyways, Andre, I don't know how true this is, because coming from someone who was admitted to a madhouse. Let me continue. Anyways, despite all of this, Andre is the voice of the Jamaican people. His movement has helped a lot of people to get justice, including highlighting injustice that goes on in Jamaica, which he has taken his time and energy to highlight on his YouTube channel. This includes highlighting crimes that almost didn't get justice, such as Donald Lee Donaldson case and Anika Townsend are a couple that he talked about that if he didn't highlight might not have gotten justice. Not justice these social media women, but also regular people too.
Play all of the voice note them for Jamaica where you have. Play all of them. Destroy Jamaica. I dare you. I dare you to start it. God in your own right, just start it, man. Just start it. Me not come back on YouTube, you know. Me not come back on social media. Me done with it. So just start it. Say, see my money where you thief from me, you thief it. Because me have you with the Nerissa attack, say, guys, we just want to bail him and this and that. We're not going to take any money. I'm going to say this to you, nasty, dirty Wayne. Yeah, I'm ready for cuss you. I'm ready to tell you everything because you're a destruction. You're black and ugly. You're full up of hate and vitriol. You don't know go ride. Where you say that go ride, I see you go in the water and go in the moon tonight, man. Go in night, Wayne. Go in night. Go try my family, Wayne. Try make me ball like how you are ball now. Your blood pressure go.
Offset's name gets called after he sent a message to Zoo via direct message. It is said that Zoo was threatening Cardi B, so as a husband would do he message him. Now Kenneth, Zoo, and the goons out looking for Offset. This is just looking bad on Nicki Minaj at this point. Cardi B didn't marry no criminal that have to announce he is sex offender. You are the queen, but you are marrying men that make your name look bad. He needs to go worry about being a sex offender. He and his goons.
During all of this madness, Offset spent a day with Kai Cenat, and they were on Twitch Live.
Are you capable of doing a 24-hour? Yes or no?
I'm locked in.
Cat.
I'm locked in.
Cat.
I'm locked in. I can't fold on the person. I can't fold. I told y'all I'm gonna pull up. I mean.
Okay.
I'm gonna stand on business.
Okay.
I'm gonna stand on
So that boy say you locked in. So do you know that we gonna have to? Okay, look. And even if you don't make it, we don't make it. But it's about trying. You feel what I'm saying? Do you know we will have to stream until 8 p.m. tomorrow?
We're gonna stand on it. We gotta stand on it. I ain't no
If
hoe.
you with it, I'm with it. I ain't no hoe.
I ain't no hoe.
I ain't no hoe.
I'm gonna stand on
I ain't
it.
no hoe. Okay, all right, bet. We got his bag.
I got this right, so I brought you a little piece of the album merch. You feel what I'm saying? New denim tears. You feel me?
Okay.
New denim tears.
Oh,
you feel me?
Who just
Set it
knocked?
out across the front. Who part of that? I'll set tears. Hold on, chat. Let me put that right there for you.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Wait, I ain't gonna lie though. Wait, hold on. You got to collab with Denim Tear?
Yeah, I got it on.
How I gotta collab with Denim Tear?
Cause that's you.
Yo, Chad, should I put this motherfucker on?
Put that motherfucker on, man. Stop playing.
Yo, Chad, should I put this motherfucker on right here?
Put that motherfucker on.
Hold on.
They saying, yeah, put that motherfucker on. They saying,
Hold on, Chad.
I'm fucking with the chat. Y'all the merch. I got the hat.
Yeah, the chat.
I got the hat too now.
Yeah, I need that cap, bro.
This the shirt. This the
I need that shit. Bro, you about to be here for 24 hours.
Locked in? What?
Have you ever seen before?
And I brought my PS5 right here. In the Margiela PS5.
Nah, this
Stop playing. Hold on. Stop playing. Come on, man. Come on, man. We locked in. And I got 20 controllers.
Oh,
And a toothbrush. You gotta brush your teeth, man. However you want. I got the headphones. I got the charger to the controller. Yeah, I ain't capping. Yeah.
Yo, what the
Yeah, I ain't capping.
Yo, this nigga came serious. Okay, what else you got? What else? I know you got more shit.
I got more shirts.
Okay.
Balenci slides, cause you gotta have a drip on.
Oh, yeah?
When you laying down and you tired, you gotta have.
Oh yeah.
Drip
Now you
on.
know what happens when we sleep on stream, right?
I got.
What up?
Dove soap.
Okay, Dove soap. Okay.
Dove
Okay.
soap.
Wait, Chad, would this nigga be the first rapper to do a 24-hour stream?
Locked in.
Wait, I wonder if there's any. Yes. They're saying yes. You'll be the first artist to do a 24-hour stream.
Put me in Guinness.
Oh man. Okay.
Put me in Guinness.
Okay. What else you got? Bro, this nigga has everything.
I got
What
JBL speakers just in case they might want to hear just some.
Yes!
Some unreleased, just maybe.
Okay.
You know,
just maybe.
You know.
Just
good
maybe.
JBL.
Just maybe. Okay.
Okay. What else we got in here?
What else you got? Nah, this nigga came prepared.
I got my favorite glasses. Pradas. You Prada motherfucker. They proud of me.
Okay, proud of
They
you.
proud of me.
Okay. Little proud of motherfucker. What
Just
else?
in case I got.
Yo, this
I got a little Balenci drip, a little Balenci. Now with a little bit of Balenci.
Okay, yeah.
What else we got in here? What else we got in here?
What else?
We got the Apple headphone. They not together, but I'm
Yup, yup.
gonna put them together.
Okay, but it's
Here is Petty threatening Offset.
Planning your funeral.
Yeah.
All the way to the street. Let's play. What's up?
We'll meet you there.
Let's get it.
Let's meet you there. Legendary. That's the start.
Let's get it going, man.
We'll meet you on your vacation.
That's a fact.
They got Big Zoo outside.
They wanted to come at me at the Bill Maze, man. We ain't even do nothing to nobody, man.
Man, what's poppin', man? What's man? Nobody hiding around here, man.
Yeah,
We outside. We all the way up.
Yeah, we ain't ducking out.
And here's Offset outside, like they are.
I'm getting out the jet. What are you talking about? D, bro. We up and off jet. Y'all niggas got there. Y'all there outside.
Moving forward, Vibes Cartel's baby mama is allegedly being harassed again by the Jamaican police. Police show up to their home with a warrant with the wrong address and proceeds to assault Shorty and arrest little Addie allegedly.
I live nice and I drive good things. What kind of gun? On the warrant, and them want torment people. That's all them want to torment people. Torment people. Wrong address, and this is what them doing. Them say them have a wrong address, and this is what them doing. Wrong address, and this is what them doing. What the sense for this? What the reason for this every single time?
Bro, which phone though?
Wrong address and them a do it. And she laugh like it's funny. Wrong like it's funny.
Who in that?
Boss scammer. When them see young people that drive nice car and I live nice life, them here real because them a fear work 9 to 5. Them now no warrant for search. Make them go on with them and go, you idiot. Them go on where them a go.
Where's there? Alright. I'm not care what that search. Just make sure that they are good. Just make sure that
What not search for? What not search for? Which gun?
that's what we're checking.
Them not no warrant. Them not no warrant. Them just see the wrong address. Wrong address. Wrong address. It's not even nowhere near what them want. No, them just want torment people that them want to do.
86.
I know him can't open the warrant properly. Show him, make him see the warrant. The people them want to see warrant.
Look what's the warrant. This is everyday disgrace and embarrassment. And you will lick me? When then?
Stop. Just stop.
When then? If they can't be there, no worry
You will
yourself.
lick me?
Calm down now. Just calm down now. Bro. Over here.
And you come and laugh like that it's funny, don't you?
Big idiot police, big idiot, Frownsy. I know him can't find the warrant.
And this is what? This is it.
This is not a where's the warrant?
Where's the warrant?
If this is this your house?
Yes, it's the house. So where's the warrant?
When you go and get in the correct warrant and come back then. When you go and get in the correct warrant and come back.
No.
What's
the warrant? The lawyer said the warrant. The paper.
Wrong address, wrong name for warrant. Yet them want to know why the little idiot a laugh. Big clown. Them here red because them have to work 9 to 5 for make a living for them dirty family. Yeah. Take set. Big disgrace for people in them house.
And make sure all of the phone you want to take up, they right, put back on the knowledge.
Yeah.
Where's 86?
Yeah, man.
Where's 86? This is not 86. This is not 86.
Yeah, but I didn't tell me.
Give me, so, wait, on the stupid. Only very, very stupid because every day,
Whose name is it?
whose name is what?
So what? So are the current warrant? Them not the current warrant on them now, so them need to go.
Tanisha Johnson. Who's Tanisha Johnson?
Me is Tanisha Johnson. But no, give me the written warrant with my name on it.
We have a warrant, man. We have a warrant.
Me not lock off nothing.
No, but them go look for where they want to look at. Anything where they want to look at. Gun, cow, this, that.
We know your name. You are not the target.
My son name is not the talking.
I don't know if they are your son.
There is entertainer.
We have information that straight men are here.
No, straight man.
Who come here? Who come here? I could go in our room.
First of all, my pick them a mix up and nobody can come here.
We don't
Nobody can come on my
know if they are
yard.
your sons.
Oh, go for the break paper.
I don't know if they are your sons. I don't know that. I know that information.
Well, that's it for today. See you on my next episode.